This is the lead screw efficiency and backdriving interactive calculator, which determines whether your lead screw system can operate efficiently and resist backdriving forces. Let's walk through the 3 input fields. First, we have lead in millimeters, where you enter the linear distance the nut travels per 1 complete screw rotation. Next is screw diameter in millimeters, which is the major diameter of your lead screw. Finally, there's the friction coefficient, where you input a value between 0.1 and 0.3 typically, depending on your material pairing and lubrication conditions. For our example, I'll enter 10 millimeters for the lead, 10 millimeters for the screw diameter, and 10 for the friction coefficient. After clicking Calculate Efficiency, we get 5 critical outputs. The lead angle shows 17.66 degrees, while the friction angle is 84.29 degrees. Notice the efficiency reads -6.7%, which indicates this configuration actually requires more torque than a simple friction system. The backdrive result shows no, meaning this screw will not backdrive under load. The torque factor of 11.5724 millimeters helps you calculate required torque for your application. This calculator instantly reveals whether your lead screw design meets efficiency requirements. Find the link in the description below.